I built this automation to alert me via WhatsApp whenever any of the plants at nursery are at risk from upcoming weather conditions. So, and the workflow will completely use the local weather forecast against the specific temperatures and the plant tolerances, which are mentioned in the particular Google Sheet over here. And all the information will be accessed and processed by the AI agent, and AI agent will decide whether to alert the user to WhatsApp or not. So firstly, let me just show you the demo, and after I will simply explain every single thing and how the data will actually flow from node to node from the beginning to the ending. So yeah, let us test the workflow live. So I'm going to click on execute workflow. So yeah, the AI agent also successfully, and the workflow execution was also successful, and we successfully received a WhatsApp alert. And don't worry, this is completely demo data, so nothing so serious about it. So yeah, the workflow will actually work. So now let me just explain you how the data will actually flow from node to node from the beginning to the ending. But before that, you need to just make sure to note these particular Google Sheet headers that you're seeing right here. Just pause the video and simply note them out so that you can simply replicate the same Google Sheet in your own system and connect it to this particular workflow. So the workflow will actually work. So, okay, let's see. Firstly, the workflow will actually runs every single day at 7 p.m. IST. And after the longitude and the latitude will be given right here. And after we will, get the weather forecast for this particular, open weather API. So after that, we will actually, summarize the overnight weather with this particular edit node. And after we will actually grab the sheets, technically, which is nothing but the plant records and all of them. And we simply aggregate all the data because, the sheet will give us 7 individual items, right? So for that reason, we actually aggregate them. And it is so we do this particular aggregation because it is so easy for us to actually send it to the AI agent. So that we don't perform multiple duplicate, you know, API requests out there. So, okay. And after we will actually fill the Gemini prompt right here. So everything will be looks cool. And after that, we will actually, you know, pass that particular prompt to right here. And that's it. And at the same time, there will be a structured output. So this is that thing. So the AI agent will actually output in this particular schema. So you can actually see the alert that actually satisfies that particular structured output schema that we simply gave. After that, just in case we can actually post the Gemini output, and after we will check whether if there is any plants are at risks or not. So risk or not. So after that, we will actually create a clean WhatsApp message right here. So which will exactly look like this. So, and after we will send the particular WhatsApp message right here. So, yeah, this is how the workflow will actually, you know, work and all, and the data will actually flow like this. So, yeah, that's it for today, guys.